Hi, welcome back to Interbanks Legal Services. I'm Sarah Beth Withers. I'm the founder and principal attorney here at Interbanks Legal Services. And today I am here to talk about mortgages and some of the tools available to you if you are struggling. I don't know about you, but I am excited because it looks like we're nearing the light at the end of the tunnel on COVID as more of our community gets vaccinated. And the governors have started to reduce some of our restrictions. And that's wonderful, except if you're one of those people that have fallen behind in your mortgage because you're out of work or reduced income because of COVID. So it may be a little bit of a stressful time for you as we near the end of the relief that's been provided with COVID policies. So for mortgages, which is what we're here to talk about today, the present extension or the moratorium, which is a pause, ends on June 30th. So we are nearing that, the end of the forbearance period for mortgages. Some mortgages may not fall into that forbearance, but many mortgage companies have followed the federal guidelines with a pause. So what does that mean when we get to the end of the pause? Well, if there's no further guidelines or extensions and no further assistance coming down the pipelines, which I'm not in the government, so I don't know if there are or not, but if there are no more, we've got to deal with these mortgages that have fallen past due. So there are some options, right? What do we do next? Well, if you are one of the mortgages that have fallen behind and requested a forbearance, you can contact your mortgage company and ask for a modification package. A modification will generally bring your mortgage current, extend the life of your loan, and sometimes it will reduce your monthly payment. So you can just call up your mortgage company and request a modification packet. In these packets, they usually require you to send 2 years worth of tax returns, 3 months worth of bank statements, proof of income. They're documents that will be listed out in the application that you have to send in with your modification package. Now, if the package totally scares you and you don't know what to do and you need help getting through it, Interbanks Legal Services does offer mortgage modification assistance. So you can contact us if you are local and you are needing assistance. If you're not local, just, many bankruptcy attorneys do offer modification services. So I would recommend contacting an attorney. So what happens if your modification application gets denied? Then what? Well, there's Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And yes, bankruptcy has this tint of shame to it. People are embarrassed to even say bankruptcy. But bankruptcy is a really useful tool in your belt, especially if you're behind on your mortgage. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is what we call a wage earner plan. So if you have an income source, whether that be Social Security or disability, commissions, income of any type, you can file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy to stop a foreclosure on your home. And the way that works is there's a trustee and you propose a plan to the trustee that you're going to make payments for 3 to 5 years and you're going to catch up your mortgage payment over this time. Sometimes after you file a Chapter 13, it's a documented hardship. And so sometimes, even if you weren't successful in your modification application before a bankruptcy, you can be successful after you file your bankruptcy. And if your if your mortgage is modified, so can your bankruptcy be. You can either convert it to another chapter, you can amend your bankruptcy plan. There are lots of options. Bankruptcy is a really useful tool for dealing with behind mortgages and stopping foreclosure. So, to get a bankruptcy consultation, many bankruptcy attorneys have a free consultation. And it is only about 30 minutes to an hour of your time, and you can leave knowing the tools available to you. Perhaps it's a modification that's best for you. Perhaps you should surrender the home, or maybe file a Chapter 13 to get you back on track. So speaking with an attorney can help you understand your options. And bankruptcy is just one of them. It's a useful tool. We here at Interbanks Legal Services do provide bankruptcy services, and you can call us at 252-495-0585 or visit us at ibxlegal.org and you can schedule an appointment with us through one of those mediums. And if this video was helpful to you, or you think it'll be helpful to someone you know, we ask that you please share this video on Facebook and follow us and like our page. And we'll have more videos in the coming weeks and months here about bankruptcy or other financial options, as we do realize we are nearing the end of any relief packages that are presently in play. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.